Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about a new lead generation system. It's very important if you have never watched the video before. In the series, actually, I made another video about client onboarding. So, what happens when you get a new lead and what's the next step? So, I'm going to use three modules here. The one is actually the ClickUp, and second thing is Slack, and then email. So what is ClickUp? ClickUp is going to be my CRM. So where I'm going to completely manage all the information about the leads. So the lead name, when did they submitted the form, and what's going to be the meeting ID, URL, and the website name, email address, and what is the lead status, for example. So every time when the lead comes in, so it's there are different stages the lead will be gone. So for example, from meeting booked to waiting up proposal, and then to send proposal, and then proposal is sent, and then closed, and then closed, or the lead is lost. So it's very important to really manage all your leads in a CRM, so that you can understand what's going on and what to do, because most of the success will come through follow-ups actually. So once a lead is generated, the next thing is important is how you are following up, how you are what is the system that you have behind. So when you don't have a good system, so what happens is you will miss this lead. You will not understand what is the next step, and then you don't know whether you sent an email or not, whether either the meeting is booked or not, so or proposal is sent or not. So it's very important to track everything and automate everything, and this will solve you a lot of problem, especially when you are running your online business. So it's important that you have a complete overlook or overview of what's happening within the lead. So if you want this thing, it's a simple board actually. So you can create a task. You can just create this in ClickUp. So once you have done this, so you will have the webhook actually. So you can connect with make.com. So in this scenario, what I'm doing is actually, so once a form is submitted, the webhook will watch and everything, will look for the information, and then it will get a task from the ClickUp. So it will take the task, and then it sends a router, and then it sends to a Slack message and an email saying that in Slack message it will update what happens to the meeting. For example, what happens to the lead. For example, the lead is right now in the from the meeting booked status to the awaiting proposal status. So all this information will be updated here in the Slack, and also an email is sent immediately, so that the customer will know in which status we are, and also as a business owner you will also know what's happening. So this is very important to understand and completely have this process in your business. So in this and so as we are doing this 30-day build, it's important to understand that you also build the scenario and build this business with me. So for that, I'm giving you a step of instructions. So as I showed you, check the link in the description. You can have this complete steps, and then if you have any doubts, or if you want anything a detailed video, I'm going to make another video completely explaining you the step by step of this video. So this is my task to do, and and also your task to do today. And so try it out, and if you have any questions, write me down, write me in the comment below, and let's see what is how you can process, how you can manage your leads in a wonderful way, so that you know what's happening within your system. So as I said, I will just run through the workflow again, and then and then you can do this task. So the workflow steps, the first one is the Webhook Trigger for a new lead submission. This is what I told you, the webhook. And the second thing is actually the retrieve lead details from the ClickUp. So it's retrieving all the details from the ClickUp. So it's like getting a task, fetching the lead details from the ClickUp using the task ID. So it depends upon the task ID. Everything is it's been recovered here. So once this is done, actually the second thing is actually the retrieval is done. You are sending the lead data to Slack for approval. So you are sending a message to Slack saying that okay, this is the update of the lead, and so people as a team, your team will know this what's happening. So and also you are sending an email notification for what's the status or what is the status of the lead. So this the benefits of this automation is it reduces really manual efforts, so no need of manually approving tracking, because when you start using ClickUp, so you also need to do manually move from display from meeting book to awaiting proposal to send proposal. So all this can be automated. So that is the process of this. So yeah, and so do this. Test the webhook to ensure data is captured correctly. Confirm the Slack notification, validate email notification, and optimize your workflow based on this feedback. So I'm really looking forward to hear from you what happened and what did you try it. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in another video.